Hi guys, how are you guys doing? So today let's talk about administrators. Let's talk about managers. Let's talk about certain employees who secretly plot for your downfall. You guys ready? Let's do it. So here's what I've learned over the years. When you're not kissing their behind, when you are not personally in their space, when you are giving them boundaries, right? They don't like that. They do not like that. And please, when I say employees, I don't care. They always have their foot soldiers working for them, spying for them, conspiring for them. I've never seen such a thing, okay? It's like they have to report to them. I remember a time where everybody just mind your business and stay in your lane and do your job and do what you're told. Follow procedures, follow policies, make sure everything is safe, and then go home. Nope, not them, not them. I've seen it. I've seen administrators, managers, administration, employees go research others' personal information just to be used against them. Hello. So when they say work is work, home is home, personal is personal, I truly live by that. I don't have friends at work. I have co-workers. That's what I have. I do. So yeah, that's what I wanted to talk to you guys about. Gotta go. I'll see you guys next time.